I welcome all the learners to IMT CDL family. IMT CDL is Institute of Management Technology Center for Distance Learning. And you will appreciate that Center for Distance Learning is an appendix which is unusual and is not available with many other institutes who are offering classroom education in the regular mode. Therefore, it is important that we quickly discuss what is distance learning and how does it benefit you. But before that, I offer good morning to Professor Asif Zamir, who I am able to see on the screen. He is our Dean Academics. Dr. Nidhi Mathur, she's anchoring the program. Ms. Shilpi Ritupat, she is also anchoring the program. Mr. Anupam Kumar Singh is the IT head, who is organizing all the groundwork for sending this orientation session through your computer screens, and a whole lot of information technology team which is working behind the screen but which is responsible for organizing this wonderful session. So all the learners are now a part of the IMT family, and they are not only a part of IMT family, they are a part of the prestigious Center for Distance Learning. I take pride in being associated with Center for Distance Learning, primarily because I have a long background of work in the open learning system. And when I got an opportunity to work with Center for Distance Learning, I thought this was a golden opportunity to give whatever I have been able to learn at other institutes to the IMT CDL family and take IMT CDL to the pinnacle of all the management institutes, standalone management institutes in the country. And I am with this center for almost 6 months now, and I can say with a lot of confidence that the amount of talent that is available here under the leadership of our very able Dean, Professor Asif Zamir, who has a long academic background and has rich experience of guiding people, and the faculty, which is very renowned. You will get an introduction about the faculty very soon. With the help of this team, we are not only confident, we are working day and night for sending IMT CDL on the top scale of the ladder of all these standalone institutes. So you should feel a bit of a sense of pride in getting associated and becoming a learner at the IMT CDL. Very quickly, what is distance learning? What is open learning? Many of you have heard that open learning is without class learning. You don't have to come to class. But there are a few other very important ingredients in open learning, and I would like to quickly share that with you. One is that in open learning, teaching is learner-centered. So every one of you, every single learner who is taking admission and who is now a part of the IMT CDL family is a subject of personalized attention at the IMT CDL. And IMT CDL faculty devises a mechanism of devoting individualized and personal attention to all the learners. This normally does not happen in a classroom situation. The second important thing is that in the CDL system, in the open learning system, you are provided with very quality learning material, which is generally not available in the classroom situation. This quality learning material is very, very diligently and carefully prepared. And we take assistance from, this is a big advantage with the ODL system, we take assistance from the renowned faculty spread all over the country. So wherever management experts are available, Professor Asif Zamir will contact them, will solicit their assistance in writing our lessons. They will write it for us. Then we will do a very careful vetting. So these lessons are very carefully and especially prepared for our learners. They are specially designed for our learners. They are not like class notes or they are not like textbooks. There is a lot of difference, big difference between a textbook and the self-learning material. We take a lot of pride in preparing this self-learning material, and we are very happy that this self-learning material is becoming available to you as learner and a part of the IMT CDL family. So you will benefit from this very specially designed learning material. And today I can say with confidence that there are not many institutes in our country which are offering this very specially designed learning material. This is the second very peculiar and special feature of the ODL system, and IMT CDL is a pioneer in preparing self-learning material. The third is that we are using a lot of technology, and I have a lot of confidence in the technology team. And as you see in this orientation session, which has been organized with the help of technology, all the 1,000-strong learning family and the student family has now become a part of one single platform where we are able to address everyone and everyone is able to talk to us and interact with us. This is another very peculiar feature and a special feature of IMT CDL. We have a very strong IT team, and with the help of this IT team, the latest advances in the information technology sector are being harnessed by us, and we are going to deliver it to them. And we are also going to deliver it to all of you. So all of you will be benefiting from the advanced information technology. And if not today, very soon, you will all be exposed to the special information technology features which we have been able to develop at the IMT CDL. And when you become a part of our learning family very soon, then student information systems and our learning management systems, they will all be exposed to you. You will get a small amount of introduction today. I believe Ms. Shilpi will give you details about the learner management system, etc. And then you will know what are the special features of this LMS and SIS systems. But as you use them and as you get into contact with them and as you become familiar with this system, you will realize that ODL is a very special system. It is not any inferior system to the classroom teaching system. It's a very special system. And this special system has been designed for learners like you who want teaching and learning to be delivered at their doorstep. You will appreciate we are delivering a learning and our entire material at your doorstep. You are not supposed to be traveling long distances. You are not supposed to be attending classrooms at awkward hours from about 7 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon, which is mostly the working time for most of you, or time which you want to utilize for other purposes. So these are some very special features of the ODL system. I am not going to deliver you a detailed note on ODL system today. Maybe some other time we will again interact. We will sit for a little more time and I will give you some more nuances of open and distance learning system. But today is the orientation session and we are all ready to have a quick glance at all the different components of IMT CDL. How are we developing our learning material? How are we going to deliver it to you? What are the facilities that you are going to get from us? How our very strong student support system is going to assist you throughout the 2 years of your stay with us and your very fruitful journey, learning journey with us. And then we have a very strong faculty team. As I said, Professor Asif Zamir heads that team and we have a strong faculty of 6 members here. We are also going to add some more members to our family very soon. So Professor Asif Zamir will give you details about this strong academic support, which will benefit you not only in your learning, but in many other ways. Sometimes this faculty also provides you career counseling. Which direction do you take? Which are the special features that you should develop in your courses and how better can you do in your life? I should rest now and hand it over to Professor Asif Zamir and to the 2 wonderful anchors. I am mesmerized at their presentations, Dr. Nidhi Mathur and Ms. Shilpi Rituparth. And once again, congratulate all of you for joining this family and thank the the team which is working behind the curtain, the IT team, because of which the session has become possible. Thanks everybody and welcome everybody, and we continue with the session.